Welcome to this channel. Remember, the book is Contemporary Business for Mathematics with Canadian Applications, and we are doing our homework for the last part of the chapter number 8. So let's pick question number 4. We're going to create a complete repayment schedule. So I'm going to cut some parts of the video because it's just changing the first values and then copying the rest. So I'm going to show you first. I highlight all the values that I find in Pearson, then I copy. So in seconds I have this schedule below in this part. So I start copying. I'm going to skip some of the parts because it's already done, but I don't want to watch while I am copying these values. Okay, so it's basically just copy the values. We skip a little bit of the video. You can verify if it's the same exercise, but we finish here. Oh, in this second part of this video, I want you to watch. I'm going to do right now a test from this chapter number 8. I'm going to pick a test number B. So you are going to watch the time that I spent doing this test at the end of this video, and maybe if you have the same platform, you can compare the time that you spend doing this and with this one with my time that I spent in this video, so you can have a real idea about the time that you can save by applying this Excel worksheet or using this Excel worksheet. So we have here the first question. No matter what question we have, all the questions that we have per chapter, I have developed. So basically, it's just to find a question that matches and then proceed to change the values that we have in the platform of Pearson. So let's do this complete exercise, the first one of this test. So be careful with the values because mathematics, it's a very exact science. So if you fail to put a comma or to put a decimal, this will be affecting your final answer. So be careful at the time that you type. And then we have the last value for this exercise. So let's copy. Okay, I'm going to skip a little bit because this video will take longer if I take. Then we have here the 11 questions. I skip one question, and the third one, you can see 3 questions out of 11. It's We have to create another repayment schedule. So we proceed to change the values. Remember to change the dates in the formula bar. Then uh, the table is, or the schedule is already done in seconds. So you don't have to worry about doing this procedure. And basically we have just to enter the values. I skip a little bit. We are at the end of the values that we have to enter, just the totals. And let's proceed with the next questions that we have. So this is another one, just changing the values and proceed with copying the result. Okay, if you are maybe faster than me at typing, you can do it in less time this test. So remember, if you have this type of ability, you can do this test faster. Okay, once again here, once we have all the table created in seconds in this by using this Excel worksheet, we proceed to change all the values that we find here. So look, it takes a lot of time to change one by one. Here we have an error. Remember to enter a correct value. If you are interested in acquiring this Excel worksheet, you can contact me by WhatsApp. My number is in the description of this video. The cost of this Excel worksheet is $15. I have the same Excel worksheets for some other chapters, for chapters 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So text me if you are in these courses, maybe marketing, maybe business. So if you have this subject that uses Pearson with this book, you can save a lot of time, but getting this Excel worksheet. And look, you can compare the time that you spend doing these exercises by hand and the time that you spend doing these exercises doing or using this Excel worksheet. So we have here another example. We have this type of question. We need just to change the values that are in yellow, and that is all. So remember to do it correctly. And now we have the answers. We close that window and we start just copying the values. We are in the last part of this question. Okay, I'm going to skip to the last question. The rest of the questions is basically the same. You have to type in a blank cell in the Excel worksheet and type maybe 2 or 3 words and verify if that question matches with the one that you need in Pearson platform. And after that, you have just to change the values and you are going to get the answer in seconds. Okay, I want you to notice the time that I spent. So we have here in the last part of this video. So let's check once again if the values are entered correctly. Okay, we are going to submit the test. Okay, we have spent 25 minutes and 27 seconds, and we got 100. So once again, if you are interested in getting this Excel worksheet, please contact me. I think this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.